Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're looking at a really specific challenge for anyone in broadcasting or live events.
Mm-mm.
How do you get full HD video, and I mean full HD, plus a live network connection across, well, miles of distance?
And do it with the absolute minimum amount of cable.
Exactly. So our mission today is to unpack a piece of gear that claims to do just that, all on one single strand of fiber optic cable.
Yeah, this is a fun one. We're talking about the Thor Broadcast F-M1SDI-3G-ET,
Okay.
and we're looking at it through vendors like HDTV Supply, who really specialize in this kind of pro-level AV gear.
Okay, so let's get right to that core idea, the efficiency of it.
Right. I mean, at its heart, this thing is a problem solver. It takes two massive workflows and just puts them together.
And it's not a compromise either. You're getting a channel of forward SDI video. Let's be clear, this is 3G SDI.
Which means for anyone listening, uncompressed 1080p video at 60 frames per second. It's the professional standard.
But here's the kicker. While it's sending that perfect video, it's also running a bidirectional.
A full 101/1000 gigabit Ethernet transceiver. So you're not just sending video one way.
No.
You're creating a remote network access point, a genuine two-way street for data.
And this is the part that really changes things for people working out in the field. The performance.
Get this. The transmission is, for all intents and purposes, instant.
What are we talking latency-wise?
1 millisecond. And it holds that performance over distances up to 20 kilometers.
20 kilometers, wow. On standard single-mode fiber.
Yep. That kind of range is just,
Yeah.
it's huge. It means your remote broadcast isn't just across the stadium. It could be miles deep into a national park for a nature documentary, for example.
Or covering a marathon anywhere. Pulling multiple copper lines would be a complete nightmare.
An expensive nightmare, yeah.
So let's talk about that Ethernet channel then. That's the real value add here, isn't it? If you have this perfect video feed coming back, what does that giggy connection let you actually do from 20 kilometers away?
Well, basically everything you need for a remote production. You can run IP control for your PTZ cameras, for your lighting rigs.
Okay, so remote control.
Huge file transfers, and, this is really important. You can run professional audio distribution. Think Dante Audio.
Ah, the standard for audio over IP.
The standard. So you're managing camera, lights, mics, data, everything all at once over that one fiber.
And for the people who have to spec this stuff out for big jobs, it ticks the right boxes, right?
It does. It's a small portable unit, but you can wall mount it. It meets the big broadcast standards like SMPTE 424M, which confirms that 3G SDI compliance we talked about.
And it's TAA compliant.
Right, which is crucial for any kind of government or federal work. It's built for serious deployment.
Let's touch on the financials, because that's always part of the equation.
Of course. So right now, professionals are looking at a price point around $995. It also comes with a solid 2-year warranty.
So for under $1,000, you're getting a 20-kilometer high-end broadcast link.
That's the value proposition, yeah. It makes this kind of setup much more accessible.
So what's the big takeaway here? What does this all mean for you if you're working in these challenging remote environments?
I think it's the ultimate simplification tool. That's what it boils down to. It takes two incredibly complex, bandwidth-hungry jobs, uncompressed video, and full network control, and it collapses them into one clean, reliable, and instant pathway.
It kind of proves that distance doesn't have to equal complexity anymore.
Exactly.
So that leaves us with a final thought for you to consider. If one single compact box can give you instant video and full gigabit network control across 20 kilometers, how does that capability fundamentally change what you even think of as a remote broadcast or command center?